Are there objects in history that shouldn't be there? We call them out-of-place artifacts, or OOPARTs, objects that are out of their place and out of their time. Stones with laser-like precision, maps showing continents before they were discovered, artifacts that challenge science. Coincidence, or proof that our reality might be a simulation? Today on Reality Shift, we'll explore how OOPARTs and ley lines could reveal simulation restarts and hidden secrets of history. In Greece, the Antikythera mechanism, a machine over 2,000 years old, could predict eclipses and astronomical cycles. Technology that shouldn't have existed for centuries later. In Iraq, the Baghdad battery, a pot capable of making electricity 2,000 years before we knew how to make batteries. In Texas, a hammer stuck in rock over 100 million years old. Impossible according to official history. One of the most surprising cases happened in 1974 in Aiud, Romania. Workers found an aluminum wedge buried next to mastodon fossils over 10,000 years old. Aluminum isn't found naturally and is only made with modern industrial processes. How did it get there? The Aiud OOPART is found on a ley point, a spot where many ley lines meet in Central and Eastern Europe. These lines connect Neolithic temples and mounds in Hungary, Serbia, and Romania. If OOPARTs are pieces of older simulations, appearing at an energy spot isn't a coincidence. Could this artifact be real proof of simulation restarts? A leftover that stays between ancient energy points. It's not just Aiud that makes us question history. The London hammer, found in 400-million-year-old rock, it challenges the official timeline of humanity. The Ica stones, Peru, carvings showing dinosaurs living with humans. The disc of Sabu, Egypt, a ceramic object with a shape impossible for its time. Each of these objects could be a clue left by older versions of our reality. Pieces that survive through system restarts, stuck in places where the memory of the simulation is strongest. Some researchers suggest that many OOPARTs appear on ley points, where ley lines cross and energy or information seems to gather. This supports the idea that they are not just strange things, but intentional signals within the fabric of our reality. Alfred Watkins suggested in 1921 that ancient monuments were lined up on invisible lines, ley lines, temples, pyramids, stone circles, all connected with a precision that's too exact to be accidental. Many OOPARTs were found exactly on these lines, like the Aiud artifact. Some simulation theorists say these lines are like data cables in a computer system, and the nodes are spots where the memory of older versions stays stronger. This suggests that simulation restarts don't erase all information, leaving physical and energy pieces that we can find. Civilizations that vanish without explanation, flood myths, lost cities. Could these be stories of system restarts? When a simulation restarts, do some pieces remain? Would OOPARTs be physical leftovers of old versions of our world? Even myths and legends could be leftover memories, echoes of an earlier reality that lives on in human stories. If we live in a simulation, OOPARTs would be like leftover files, pieces that weren't erased after a restart. Ley lines would be the system's energy paths, and temples, the nodes that connect information. We are the observers who are starting to see the pattern, pieces of a code that goes beyond time. Every generation sees strange changes in the world. Maybe it's the leftover memory of older versions of the simulation. OOPARTs and ley lines could be messages from the system, reminders that reality can be changed and that everything could be rewritten. If you want to uncover the hidden secrets of the universe and explore how OOPARTs could be clues to simulation restarts, subscribe to Reality Shift and hit the bell so you don't miss any mysteries.